I'm Neil. This is the SEO platform. Currently, this has been a multi-million-dollar program that we've developed. We have 35,000 users, over 34,000 number one rankings for our clients, and 160,000 top 10 ranking results. The best way to show you how our network works is to take you to the dashboard that all customers receive. This is a management dashboard, so it has a lot of customers, but here is an example of what the customer would receive. Here is Dr. Karen Gomez. She's got chiropractic offices in Florida. These are her locations. She came to us a few months ago. I'm going to show you her statistics since we started with her. Here is the analytics, and everyone gets a dashboard like this. She started actually in May, and you can see these are Google's historical SERP data showing traffic. When she started in May, you can see she was getting about 4 hits a day. Now she's up to about 35, so it's constantly going up. Here are her stats. When she started, it was May 25th. We also, if you notice, here are a list of all of her keywords. She had a few rank results, I think 2 rank results on Google when she started. She had a few on Yahoo and Bing. If you'll notice, she's a chiropractor and she specializes in helping auto accident victims. She wanted to have some articles written in Spanish as well as English, keywords in Spanish, so we did that for her as well, which we can do. So let's look at her current results. You can see the green number here is the amount of positions they've moved up. So on Google, she was 103. Now she's number 3. On Yahoo, she was not in the top 100 pages. Our system only goes up to 1,000. Now she's number 18 for that keyword. So here, this one's gone up 102. This one went up, auto accident injury, Hollywood, Florida, went up 998 spots. So she's number 2 now. She, in fact, added more keywords to her campaign. She's been so happy about this. And a lot of these keywords, even though it's for a chiropractic business, there's similar keywords. Auto accident injury, Miami, Florida, is a keyword that a personal injury attorney might also choose. Those keywords on Google AdWords on pay-per-click are like $50, $100 a click, some of them. She's getting a lot of value from her campaign. And we can look at the dashboard. So auto accident clinic, Hollywood, Florida. If we click, you can see she is, if you look at this, she's ranked number 1, 2, and 3. So she has 3 of the top rankings for that particular keyword. Wow. Which sometimes happens because you'll get additional positions from articles that we write for the customer. So now let's take a look at the other factors for Dr. Gomez. Here is keyword content. Content is a very important aspect for SEO. And as part of our dashboard, our customers can see every keyword and their articles corresponding to each keyword. So if we look at accident chiropractor Miami and we click the edit button, you can see a little bit of a header. And then here is the article which we wrote for her. It's like a 400 or 500 word article. Here, if you look, you can actually go in and you can edit this. So if she wanted to add more content or if she wanted to omit something that was inaccurate, she could just go into the dashboard and it instantaneously will change it. Let's show you how the content looks on the website. We add a small piece of code on the site which allows us to display the content. So if you go down to the bottom of the page, one thing is that this does not change the look or feel of the website. We don't want to change the marketing message. But you see as I'm scrolling the cursor, that article button is appearing. If you click on the articles, it will show, we go to Accident Chiropractor Miami, and then the article is displayed. And what our software does when we put the code on it, it actually takes the content and it creates files of information from all the articles, which we call siloing, and it submits them to the search engines and the crawlers in a regimented way that they really like, and it gives the content that we generate for our customers more authority. Now, linking is also very important, and customers have issues about linking because of the Penguin updates sometimes. So it's very important that you have relevant links from established businesses. You don't want to have links from blogs and junky directories and things like that. Here we only built 88 links for the doctor, but each of these links is completely relevant. So you can take a look and you can see, and one of the things our company does, which is completely transparent. So you can actually see every single link that we've built, and you can see they're all in the category doctor. There's some health and beauty, massage, body work relates to chiropractic. But every one of these websites is a relevant business. So if we were to take a look, here is a dental clinic, and you can click on it. And this is a real business. This is in Calgary, it happens to be. They end up getting a link from here, here, and here. So this company, if we look, is, an established business that's been around for many years. And you can see every single link. And if for some reason you didn't like a link that you received, you can click this button. It says enabled. You just click it. And that link is no longer pointing to you. So if anyone had a concern or an issue about link building, you can simply disable a link or enable it, and it would no longer be pointing to your site. With most SEO companies, as you know, if you build links, there's no transparency. You have to ask for a list of links, and then your campaign, after it's compiled, if you don't like a link, you have to try to contact the webmaster to remove it or disable. That's not the case here. It's instantaneous. That's Dr. Gomez, and again, she's been with us for about four or 5 months, and she has actually added to her campaign. She now has a 40 keyword campaign with us.